My storybook by Sofia Barros. Descriptions. Description number 1. My name is Sofia Elena Barros Cadena. I live in city of Valledupar. I am brunette with long black hair. My height is 1 meter and 60 centimeters. My eyes are black and I'm thin. I really like shopping with my friends and enjoy. I am happy riding. I dislike the heat. I dislike hot days. My favorite book is The Little Prince. Description 2. My favorite celebration is love and friendship. The celebration of love and friendship takes place in the month of September. This is a month to give surprises. It is a time to share delicious sweets. This month is to integrate with friends. The month of love friendship is also a time for the lovers to share. It is appropriate to dress informally. Family and friendship meetings are organized to share gifts. On this day, people meet new friendships. Love and friendship is an unforgettable date. Description 3. I always collaborate with household chores. In the morning, organize the beds. At noon, I arrive from work and wash the dishes. Sometimes I can collaborate in the kitchen. I usually clean the house on weekends. I rarely go to supermarket with my mom. I always organize to market in the kitchen weekly with my mom. I never leave the dirty house on weekends. I rarely iron everyone's clothes at home. Every morning I organize my room before going to work. Description 4. Currently, I watch television and know the news to be informed. On Wednesday and Friday nights, I watch movies in the English language. Every night I like to read the Bible before bed. I'm currently reading a book of natural medicine. I make hour of rest. I listen to Christian music. I'm currently watching two movie Whistle on channel 13. I also like to watch videos about cooking recipes. On weekends I like to solve crosswords. Breakfast every day at 6:50 a.m. and 7 a.m. I'm working. I work a preschool teacher. I eat dinner every day at 7 p.m. and watch a TV show. I go to bed at 10:15 p.m. Description 5. I love spring because I can dress casually and uncomplicatedly. In spring, you can take walks with a pleasant climate. In summertime in my city, you should dress very light, with fresh clothes because of the intense heat. In summer, the sun is very strong, and you should consume a lot of water. In autumn time, the way of dressing is more formal because there are unexpected small rains. The weather in autumn is cooler. because of the sudden small rains at any time. Autumn is an indicator that winter is approaching. In winter is very cool. For this reason, I dress with a deeper long dress on closed shoes. In winter, we have to cover ourselves with two about coats. The most pleasant season of the year for me is spring.